Fun crafts with Luda. Let's make stickers, everybody. All right, first material you need is markers. You need paper, parchment paper, and a roll of tape, and some scissors. First step is to draw whatever you want on a piece of paper. Step 2, cut it out. La 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 la. Here you go. Lay your tape on parchment paper, just like this. Step 4, make sure that your cutout thing is fitting on the tape that you put down on your parchment paper. Now you're gonna tape over it with your tape, of course. All right. Ooh, this is cool. You know, guys, I like doing stuff like that. Sorry, guys, that was just a little mistake. Cutting the sticker out is step 7?
6.
6. Step 8, you peel it and then stick it wherever you want. Fun crafts with Luda.